Once upon a time, in a realm beyond time and space, a soul found itself in the presence of a wise and ethereal being. The soul had just passed away on earth and now stood before this radiant being, seeking answers to the mysteries of existence. The celestial being, with eyes filled with boundless compassion, smiled and began to explain the soul's journey. It spoke of a concept called the egg. In the grand tapestry of the universe, the being began, every soul is but a fragment of a greater whole, connected across time and lifetimes. Imagine that all of humanity is one soul, experiencing different lives to learn and grow. The soul listened intently as the being continued. You see, you've lived countless lives, each as a different person. In one life, you were a beggar, and in another, a king. You've experienced every joy and sorrow, walked in every pair of shoes. The soul was intrigued. But what's the purpose of all this? Why do we go through these cycles? The celestial being explained. The purpose is growth, my dear soul. Through these experiences you learn empathy, compassion, and love. You understand the interconnectedness of all beings. The soul thought for a moment and then asked, "So, what happens now?" The celestial being smiled once more. Now you have a choice. You can choose your next life, and you can even choose who you want to be. You can return to Earth with the wisdom you've gained or explore other realms of existence. The cycle continues until every soul has learned the lessons of love and unity. With newfound clarity, the soul embraced its cosmic connection to all of humanity. It chose to return to Earth, eager to contribute to the collective growth of the human soul. As the soul descended toward Earth, it felt a profound sense of purpose. It was no longer just an individual soul, but a part of something much greater. The endless cycle of souls learning, growing, and loving together. And so, the soul's journey continued, an eternal dance of interconnected lives, all striving to understand the boundless depths of love and unity.